Caring for a baby with a cough can be challenging, but there are several home remedies that can help alleviate their discomfort. Here are 14 home remedies for baby cough. Number 1. Humidifier. Use a cool mist humidifier in your baby's room to keep the air moist, which can help ease coughing. Number 2. Steam. Run a hot shower and sit with your baby in the bathroom for a few minutes to allow them to breathe in the steam. Number 3. Elevation. Elevate your baby's head slightly during sleep by placing a rolled towel under the crib mattress or using a wedge pillow to help reduce coughing at night. Number 4. Hydration. Ensure your baby stays well hydrated by offering frequent breastfeeding or formula feeding. For older babies, you can also offer small sips of water. Number 5. Nasal saline drops. Use saline drops to help clear your baby's nasal passages, which can alleviate coughing caused by postnasal drip. Number 6. Gentle suction. Use a bulb syringe to gently suction mucus from your baby's nose, especially before feeding or bedtime. Number 7. Warm liquids. Offer warm fluids such as breast milk, formula, or water to soothe your baby's throat and provide comfort. Number 8. Honey. For babies older than 1 year, honey can help soothe coughing. You can mix a small amount of honey into warm water or offer it straight from a spoon. Number 9. Warm baths. A warm bath can help relax your baby's muscles and soothe coughing. Just ensure the water is comfortably warm, not hot. Number 10. Soft foods. If your baby has started solids, offer soft, easy-to-swallow foods such as mashed fruits or vegetables, which can be soothing for a sore throat. Number 11. Breastfeeding. If your baby is breastfeeding, continue to nurse on demand. Breast milk contains antibodies that can help your baby fight off infections. Number 12. Rest. Ensure your baby gets plenty of rest to help their body recover from illness and reduce coughing. Number 13. Avoid irritants. Keep your baby away from smoke, strong odors, and other environmental irritants that can worsen coughing. Number 14. Consult a pediatrician. If your baby's cough persists, is accompanied by other concerning symptoms such as difficulty breathing or fever, or if your baby is very young, it's essential to consult a pediatrician for proper evaluation and treatment. Always remember to consult with your pediatrician before trying any home remedies, especially if your baby is very young or if you have any concerns about their health. Please subscribe to Cure Master for holistic health tips and natural remedies.